Hi sea lovers! Let's learn some more words from IMO standard marine communication phrases. Recover. Here, to pick up shipwrecked persons. Refloat. To pull a vessel off after grounding, to set afloat again. Rendezvous. An appointment between vessels normally made on radio to meet in a certain area or position. Reported. In navigational warnings, position of object unconfirmed. Restricted area. A deck, space or area in vessels where, for safety reasons, entry is only permitted for authorized crew members. To resume. Here, to restart a voyage, service or search. Retreat signal. Sound, visual or other signal to a team ordering it to return to its base. Rig move. The movement of an oil rig, drilling platform, etc., from one position to another. Roll call. The act of checking how many passengers and crew members are present, e.g. at assembly stations, by reading aloud a list of their names. Safe speed. That speed of a vessel allowing time for effective action to be taken under prevailing circumstances and conditions to avoid a collision and to be stopped within an appropriate distance. SWL. Safe working load, maximum working load of lifting equipment that should not be exceeded. Safe working pressure. The maximum permissible pressure in cargo hoses. SAR. Search and rescue. SART. Search and rescue transponder. Scene. The area or location where the event, e.g. an accident, has happened. Search pattern. A pattern according to which vessels and/or aircraft may conduct a coordinated search. The IMO SAR offers 7 search patterns. Search speed. The speed of searching vessels directed by the OSC. Sea mark. A navigational aid placed to act as a beacon or warning. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.